Linzy Hobby Horse, Galloping Sounds with Adjustable Telescopic Stick, brown 36-inch. Telescopic Stick. The Linzy Toys Hobby Horse with Adjustable Telescopic Stick is able to adjust to 3 different sizes. The size can be adjusted to better accommodate your little cowboy or cowgirl during playtime. Excellent quality, the telescopic stick is sturdy and durable enough for your tough cowboy or cowgirl. The head of the horse is made of soft plush material. Horses come with reins to hold on to so kids can get trotting. Meyer Easy Ride 'em Stick Horse with Sound, brown. Easy Ride 'em Brown Plush Stick Horse. 33 inches tall, perfect for make-believing you're in the saddle. Makes galloping and neighing sounds. Made to strict quality standards to meet or exceed U.S. toy safety requirements. Lasting value you expect from a family-owned company that's been making toys since 1933. Breyer Horse's Main Beauty Horse Styling Head, Blaze. Black extra long silky no tangle mane. 10 inches by 4.25 inches by 4.25 inches. Styling book, brush, hair coils, hair clips, elastics. Horse toy. Model number 7403. Breyer Main Beauty introduces a whole new way to play with a Breyer horse. 2 things girls love: horses and hair play. It's all about the hair. Blaze is a bay with an extra long, thick, silky, no tangle black mane for endless braiding and styling play. Learn includes detailed styling book with step-by-step instructions to learn new ways to braid and style. Lottie Pony Pals Doll with Horse. Horse gifts for girls. Horse toys for girls and boys. Cute horse and blonde doll complete with horse riding gear, jacket, pants, boots, shirt, tie and helmet. Ugears Mechanical Horse Mechanoid Model Set. Horse Mechanoid Model Toy. This movable 3D puzzle mechanoid horse made from pure materials that make this self-moving DIY kit one of the greatest educational toys for all ages. It features a realistic, fashionable design that will help kids learn about the creature in a safe way while giving them endless hours of fun.